We have one laptop, USB not working, and I just connect the USB keyboard, and there's no USB light, and the keyboard light also is not working. So let's open the laptop. I just take out the motherboard from the laptop, and here you can see the 8-leg IC. That's the one, the USB voltage power supply IC, 5-volt power supply IC. In the IC we are getting in, but we don't get the output voltage, so we have to replace the IC. Then let's check and the output is getting or not, because when I check there's no short, and only the problem, the IC is not getting output voltage. So let's take out the IC and just replace the IC from other board. One donor board we have, it's a normal any USB IC will support. It's a normal universal IC only. We don't want to check the model number and anything else. The IC will get from the USB section, one 8-leg IC. So just take out the IC. And the previous company soldering, it's quite hard, so I just put my blower. It is not coming out, so I just choose my soldering iron also. It's better because motherboard is never get bad, so we just take out. This is the IC, the 8-leg IC. So we have to take the IC from other board, and before that I just clean the board with flex. I'm using the soldering flex, it's a hard one. And just put a little bit lead in the new one. So if you put a new lead, we can resolder very fast without damage your board. It will be fixed properly if you put as the new soldering wire, the new soldering lead. After that you have to clean the board properly, because the soldering paste, it's quite hard, so we have to clean everywhere proper cleaner. And here we got from other board, we have one donor board, we got the USB IC 8-leg. So just take out from there and we can put it in our customer board. It will be work. So first you have to take out very nicely. And this is the 8-leg IC we are taking from the donor board. When you put the IC, we have to know the mark area should be correct. The dot on the IC on the dot, and on the board also one mark also will be there. Should be keep the proper position, otherwise the board will be get short. So in this case you can see the mark area and the dot also we are just putting correct, and just put some flex for the resolving the leg on your motherboard. And just try to maximum do by your soldering iron, then your board will never get damage. Otherwise if you put in lower iron heat or something, the board will get bulge and it will be get more bad on your board condition. So maximum you have to use your soldering iron for the IC fix. just put some more good flex, because previously I used just a normal flex. That's the reason I couldn't to solder properly. Now I'm just using the hard flex. It's very good for the resoldering and soldering on your motherboard, IC, and any charging port. Anywhere you can use this hard flex. Just put a little bit piece and just solder. And now I'm just using my hot again because I want to fix the bottom side properly. So I just a little bit hot and just put it properly on the position. And again just put some new lead because I want to solder the leg properly, because I don't want to damage again. So I just try to use which area the lead is not get properly. So I just put again and just add some more flex for your good conditions, for the good proper soldering. You have to put some flex. Now here you can see the soldering area, we got a proper connections. So we are almost done, and just clean the board because we don't want to get any flex on the board anywhere. So we have to clean by your PCB cleaner, and whatever cleaner you are using, you can clean your board properly. Don't leave your board as like a flex and it's quite a dirty look. So I don't like to service like that, and I will do maximum good service. Just clean it, and we are just repack and check it again. And here we are just fix the laptop motherboard on our panel, and we didn't fix it properly. And just turn on and just connect the keyboard, and I'm just going to check this. You can see the blue light is coming. That means the USB port is reading, the USB port is working. See, you can see the blue light is coming. That means the USB port are working, and we are done. So thank you for watching.